more electric ukulele lessons. We're at jam level, so I'm just showing the clip and then the isolated track. And if you're a beginner, you might start with the earlier episodes where I go slower. I'm generally writing my own tab, though I crib from YouTube and Songster in order to translate guitar into uke tab. As I've said in previous episodes, part of the fun is working around the limitations of 4 strings. And so, yes, corners are cut. As these videos go on, I'm gradually including more effects. For gear, I'm using a Clearwater tenor uke with a compressor, octave pedal, pitch shifter, and Zoom G3XN. Next up is the settings and tab, and you can screen cap them if it's helpful. Tune your uke and let's play.
It's